Welcome once again. Let's talk about SUI coin. This coin today hitting almost 13% increase in price within the past few hours. Not enough to 24 hours because as of yesterday, this coin was trading at 4.60% increase in price. Now it actually hit about 13% increase in price. And of course, lots of ranking, they also pushed off from 98 crypto coins with the highest market cap to the top 80 crypto coins with the highest market cap. One, remember the coin currently is trading at 56 cents. Yesterday, it was trading at 43 cents. Earlier less yesterday. So you can see how this coin has been massively increasing in price. SUI coin. Now I believe that there's a possibility for $10 price within the next few months if it continues this way, because right now people are investing on SUI coin. Now the price prediction for this coin from different crypto experts and websites, you can see is looking good. At least it means in the long run, if you keep holding this coin, or if you have SUI coin in the next few years, you might end up doubling over 1,000 to 10,000% of your investment, or even more. Yes, because the truth is, I remember when coin like Solana started, I was surprised to see Solana started at 50 cents, right? Yeah, it was at 50 cents, but immediately after a year or 1 year, 3 months, the price of Solana hit over $258. Imagine such price pump. Imagine such mega price pump from Solana. You can check on CoinMarketCap what I'm saying. You can click on Solana, check the all-time price and all-time low. You can see the all-time low of the coin. You also check the all-time high. You will check the time frame between these. You will see that yes, I'm telling you the truth. So there are some coins that have that capability of rising. Now there are a lot of things that push these coins to do so. One thing is the supply, and like I said before yesterday, one of my video, that SUI coin have one of the lowest supply if you want to compare this to other new coins that just came out. So there's a possibility for me. I am seeing this coin as the next Solana. Yes, there's a possibility for SUI coin to rise. So for me, I believe that this coin will continue to rise, and let's keep on watching. I hope for the price, this price that is rising right now, to continue rising before the end of the month. But please, if you want to buy this coin, remember to invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, do not invest what you cannot afford. So let's keep pushing and let's keep watching the crypto industry. Hopefully, I'm happy to see that Bitcoin today have rise back to $26,000. Okay, yes, that means gradually BTC will be going back to where it was, and I'm happy that at least it have added something. As already it was about $25,000, and now it's about $26,000 plus. So it will soon enter $27,000, $28,000, and I'm happy about that. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.